I'm Jason from LaFM Solar. We are the solar factory in China. We produce solar lighting, solar panel, solar system, solar fan, and many different solar products. I'd like to show you the wholesale solar product in our showroom. Here is the solar garden line for decoration, for garden, for home, for square, for decoration. Okay, you can see different design, different power, different color. Okay, and here is the solar light with speaker and SOS light, flashlight. And here is the solar bulb. Okay, different product. And solar street light here. Okay, and here is the portable solar fan. The solar fan is powered by solar and with built-in battery inside. So you can carry it outdoor and very easy to use. And here is the stand fan. Here is the table fan, desk fan. Here also portable design. Okay, and here is the solar floodlight, different design, different power. Okay, and you can see here also solar floodlight, different lighting panel, and different design, different power, from 10 watt, the small one, and 300 watt, the max power, for different purpose. Okay, and here is the portable and foldable solar panel, and here is the pole for street light, for floodlight, the pole, portable pole. Okay, and here is the solar bulb. The solar bulb can be charged by AC, and can be charged by solar panel with built-in battery inside. Can be used indoor and outdoor, like this. For outdoor use, indoor use, emergency light with built-in battery, very convenient. Yes. And here is the solar street light, different power, different design, for home use, for government project. And this one is the IoT solar light with Wi-Fi camera. You can see here is the lighting panel, and this is the Wi-Fi camera. It's for security and for lighting purpose. Very good. Okay, and here is the holiday light for holiday, for party, for decoration. Many different design. Okay, and we are the solar factory in China. We will have more other new product very soon. If you want more details for the product, you can check our website or visit our Facebook page. You can see more details. And LaFM Solar, we have agents in different countries. If you want to buy the solar light, solar product in local, you can buy it from our agent in your country. And if we want to be our distributor, want to be our agent, you can also contact us for details. We are the solar factory in China. We hope to work with you to solar the light and heal the world. Thank you.